Hello everyone and welcome to Extraordinary Adventures. My name is Laura and behind the camera is my husband Scott, and we are here today on the Norwegian Prima and we wanted to give you a room tour. We are in room 10906, which is deck 10, yes. Balcony stateroom. So come on in.
Alright, so the first thing you have to do when you enter your room is one of these doohickeys to make sure there's power to everything.
Yes.
And she wants to show you this little
gadget. So this is a unique panel system here where if you click it, this is your temperature control up and down right there. You have your do not disturb button right there and your make up room,
and that'll
which translates
these lights here
to these buttons right here. Yeah, so it tells the room stewards whether you don't want to be disturbed or you want to make up the room. So come on in. Hey everybody, this is Laura and Scott from Extraordinary Adventures Cruise and Travel, and we are interrupting the video you are currently watching to let you know that not only do we create videos like this, we are also cruise travel agents.
Yes, we are.
So if you are looking to book a cruise, we would love to help you. Reach us at any of the information below.
Call us, email us, check us out on the web, Instagram, you name it, we're there.
We'd love to help you plan your next extraordinary adventure. So we're going to start with the closets.
I don't know why we always start with the closets.
I don't know why, but we always do start with the closets. So these are your closets right here.
First thing to note, compared to even older ships, a little bit lacking in storage.
There are
no drawers. There's nothing. I mean, there's space under the bed for your luggage, which is great, but these have no drawers. No, I mean, they have counter spaces, and of course you can just pile things up, but very, very light on the drawer space.
Yeah.
So, just for the two of us, they do have in here, and Laura's going to show you a couple of basket things that come out.
They
but
do.
If you were to be on this thing for 2 weeks or whatever, yeah, you're smushing my clothes. Stop. Show the other side.
Well,
I know, because it's smushing things. Oh, you're smushing all my stuff.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, you're smushing.
Well.
All right, well, anyway.
Okay,
if you were on this thing for 2 weeks, it's not a lot of space.
No.
It's a good amount of hanging.
So, ladies, tip. If you get this room and you're wanting to look at yourself in the mirror, this is very, very, very close. Right. So my recommendation is to slide this here,
go in the bathroom.
Open the bathroom door.
That's a good idea.
And then look at yourself from here. But I'm going to tell you another, this doesn't have like a...
So we've been using this chair to prop
the door open. Because if I don't, look what happens.
It's quick. It's quick too. It's quick and it's loud and it's ridiculous.
It's very loud. Imagine doing that at 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm sure your next door neighbors are not going to be very happy with you.
So any whoosies, good hanging space.
Yes,
we probably could use 2 more hangers, but we got by. And you can always ask for things like that. Safe.
Safe there. And then what's very interesting is that these are not actual like drawers. They're like wire and like stuff can fall through. So you have to be really careful about what you put into the said drawers.
And this side's a duplicate. Don't squish my stuff
again. Sorry. I fixed it. Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
More drawer space here. And then...
Again, you can just pile things, you know? I don't know. I like drawers to put away things neatly, but...
This is mine. This is what I ended up doing. It's a mess.
Yeah. But for a 5-day, and gotta remember also that this is Norwegian, so they're freestyle. They're freestyle dining. They're freestyle dress, attire, etc., etc. So you're often not going to bring formal. You're not going to bring suits. You're not going to bring a lot of things that you would need that extra space for.
Exactly.
You're going to bring nice jeans and nice dress clothing, whatever, but nothing major. So you may not need quite as much space on a Norwegian as you would on a Seabourn.
No.
Where you need dress clothing, pool clothing. You need all kinds of attire.
Yeah. They do have hangers here, pre-built in.
Magnetic ones?
Because the magnets, it's not magnetic.
Yeah.
So your magnets won't work. That door is magnetic. I don't know why, but the rest of it is not magnetic. And we have a connecting stateroom here. Yeah. So if you were a family and you wanted both rooms and you wanted to have access, you could unlock this door and unlock the other door and have free access.
But if you don't know them, both sides lock independently.
They do.
And there can't be no creepiness going on. There's a lot of creepy people in the world. There's creepers everywhere. No, okay.
Can we move into the bathroom?
I'm done talking about creepy people. It's fine.
It's going to be hard because we have to hold the door open.
We'll be fine. We'll be fine.
You good?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, we'll get it.
All right. Okay, so this is the bathroom. The bathroom in and of itself it's a nice
racks.
yeah, it's a nice bathroom. It's more in a modern contemporary style.
Yeah, everything on the ship has been very well appointed, very nice, modern, look, clean.
Can you get in? So, because I want to show the shower.
Yeah. I was showing the rest first.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, so shelving, of course.
Yeah.
Only one sink, which, you know, that's pretty standard.
One sink, but this is a drawer.
Oh, I didn't even notice. We're here 4 days. I had no idea that was
Yeah, that's a drawer. And
cool.
then this opens up.
Yeah, that I saw.
And that's your trash. Yeah. And then...
She doesn't put a bag in, which I find is a little weird. Anyway, that's besides the point. Pressure's really, really good. Doesn't get really super cold. So if you want to drink some water out of it,
warm.
But it does get hot, which is good for washing.
Also, one other thing to note is that they don't have any bar soap at all. Yeah, so that they have hand soap here and in the showers.
And then they have the shaver thing that no one uses because no one has a shaver that has that I know.
If you have a shaver like that, please let us know and like in the comments, like insert an
every
image.
shaver either one of us have had.
I've never seen one like that, so I really would like to know.
They come into the room a lot with the talking.
They do.
7:30 in the morning to camp. Anyway,
yeah.
We'll talk about that in the review.
Okay.
Anyhow, so let me, you want to go in the shower?
Well, I do want to show them how the door opens because it's very unique. Can you get in?
I'm backing. No, go ahead.
All right. Are you?
Yeah. So it comes out.
So it.
But it also comes in. It swivels.
Now, I will say.
Step in. There you go.
Good. This is the largest shower in a standard cruise room that I have ever had, ever.
Absolutely. Bigger than Seabourn. I even had to take my leg out of the shower in Seabourn. I do not have to, as a 6-foot male, I don't have to do that here.
Yeah.
Which is amazing. Really
so,
big. One of them feet thingies.
This has a nice handle.
Yep.
And then it has a clothing line here too. And then here we have body wash, and then we have a shampoo conditioner combo. But again, no soap. So I ended up bringing my own bar of soap because I am really particular about my soap. Okay, we're gonna come out now. Okay.
Yep, good.
Moving on.
Let's try not to slam it this time.
I know.
Oh, you're gonna get yelled at.
I have a tickle in my throat. I have to.
All right. Because you know you people at home that want to yell at us for having cocktails on film.
Well,
we're not too concerned with that. Anyway, moving on. Passive aggressive. Remember that video we talked about passive aggressive all the time? That was me being no, just don't me, girl. I can show you film.
All right, so let's talk about
this. We don't know if this folds out, right?
Well, let's find out.
But I'm sure that kind of a thing
it does
exists.
not.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's lots of crumbs down there.
Oh, that's good. But it would be a tight room for 4 people, especially with storage-wise.
How would you get to the bathroom in the middle of the night if you had to go?
So in that case, if you have kids, get one of these connecting rooms. Get 2 rooms, much more space.
Yeah. So and then can we like?
Well, you want to come this way?
I do want to come this way, and I want to do this.
To the mess zone.
Can I?
Whoop! She's having fun. Whoop! It wasn't on film. Wait, you gotta wait.
It wasn't on film.
Oh, you ruined the moment.
I ruined the moment.
Anyway, we were here at a conference. They gave us out little gag gifts. Anyway, so some storage space that we just put all the junk they want to give us on that, and a phone that no one ever uses.
Oh, 2 electrical outlets here.
They are super port. What do you call it? Outlet?
Yeah, port. And another one here.
And
then USB
and C.
Yep.
And then A and C right on the
lamp there.
And on hers as well. On her side, this side also has a plug. That's the only thing her side doesn't have.
No, but we have the A and the C, USB A.
So most people can get by with that, which is nice. Which is nice. It's for a brand new ship. I think it's pretty good.
Yeah,
I mean, it's pretty
good. Good tech heavy.
Yeah.
Ladies, I will mention the hair dryer. I would bring my own. I still bring my own. I tried it. And it was, and so then I ended up using my own.
Refrigerator keeps things cold. They try to sell you stuff. We got some extra bottles around ourselves and shoved them in there. There's another drawer over there. Laura's putting her stuff in.
Yep.
You know, it's a small desk, but
it's functional. We're getting it done.
This big area to make it feel more spacious. But okay, I'm done. Okay, so there's a bed. All right, go ahead.
No, I mean, I wanted to show them how spacious.
Is that what that was?
It was so spacious I could dance.
I thought you would dance monkey, dance monkey, dance monkey. Which now we're going to have to get, YouTube is going to yell at us.
Well, then don't say that.
Dance monkey.
Dance funny.
Dance funny, dance funny. All right, anyway, there's a bed. Bed's been comfortable
enough. The bed is very comfortable. Yeah, I really can't complain at all. The artwork here is very nice. I like the color scheme. Scott's not a fan of gray. But it's nice. Yeah. This is nice. I really like it. And then
super grayish. Never turn on the TV.
We have not turned on the TV. No, I'm wondering if it like
No.
moves.
Don't, okay,
I don't want to find out.
Because then we'll prove that we broke it. So let's not.
I don't want to do that. And then, there's a door lock. You can lock it so that.
But that locks. Why would you need?
I don't know, but there's an extra lock here.
Because of the creepy people.
The creepy
Gotta keep the creepy people out.
So that, if you don't lock it, can you hear it? People, I'm going to put my microphone here.
Yeah, it's
so
noisy.
You got to lock the door because if you lock it, the silence goes away. But if you unlock it, you hear the
doesn't go away.
Silence comes back. Yes, you're right. All right. I don't know if you can tell, but the chop is pretty significant out there.
Which doesn't look as bad enough to cancel customize.
So we were supposed to be in customize today, and the chop was so bad that we weren't able to dock.
He was saying that at 6:30 in the morning with 35 knot gusts coming, and that made it a part of the problem when
I don't know. Well, but Customize apparently wasn't allowing us. It wasn't necessarily the captain. But I will say, here's a speaker, and at 7:30 in the morning, it came on loud and clear.
Which we completely get. It's the captain's ship. We're guests on it. We get that. And for anything emergency, blah, 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 fine. But just to let us know that we're not docking that day, I might have just done that on the hallway audio system. Because when I woke up, I would find out that I'm not in Costa Maya, and I'd be like, why? And then I'd find out. But to be woken up at 7:30 in the morning, which I know some of you are up at 6 in the morning, you think that's late, but some of you are up at 8:30 and 9 because you went out partying the night before.
It's freestyle. You can do whatever you want.
7:30 in the morning, maybe not making such a...
we were a little, but whatever.
But he's been a fun captain. He does. This is your captain. Out. That's how he gets it.
It's like this.
So it's a small ding for us.
It's funny. Yeah, I know. I get it. Okay, so let's open.
Comfortable and small. You know, you can't fit the loungers out here, but the chairs are very comfy.
Yeah.
A little table for whatever, your coffee or whatever.
So
here's our big ding.
Here's our ding, is that when we have a balcony, we expect to be overlooking like the ocean, and you don't. You overlook the deck 8 here, which has the infinity pool and some loungers.
It's a really great deck for them.
And it is. It's a great deck. Yeah. The problem that we have is a lack of privacy. So if I want to open up my...
If you want to be one of those creepers I was talking about.
Yeah, the creepers can creep in. Yeah. They can creep in. So there are blackout shades, but but there's no like sheer curtains kind of to make privacy. So if you either have the option of being completely blacked out, not seeing the ocean, or open it up and then people can creep on you. So honestly, not really my favorite, because also like, did you get down? Like right there, there's like a big wall right there.
Yeah, we had that on Jewel of the Seas too.
Yeah.
It's that one was covering the lifeboats, life rafts, but this is just covering the dining areas. So it's just, that's a little unsightly, and because of all the light bleed and all the rest of that, when you come out at night and you want to see some starlight and some moon or whatever, it's harder because it's all being, bled over. Just so you know, this is why you use an agent. So you think you're going to get a wonderful corner balcony with lots of space, and you don't realize there's a big slide in your way. So make sure you're using an agent, like us.
Like us. Sure.
Throwing that out there.
Yeah.
While they're nice, you have complete obstruction of your view. Anyway.
That is true, actually.
Right, so that's the balcony.
For the record, we had a guaranteed stateroom. We were not able to pick our stateroom. So that's the reason why we got here. We didn't purposefully choose this, but I'm glad we actually were placed in it so we can give our potential clients the benefit of our knowledge and know not to do that again on another stateroom. Okay.
So that's the room. You saw the patio, balcony, whatever. Oh, I was leaving that up.
Oh,
okay.
Well, now you can see.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yes, dear.
Yes, dear.
Go ahead. Keep on rocking. No, that's, Anywho,
okay,
you saw it all. You saw the bedroom, you saw the living room, you saw the dining room, the desk, you saw the closet, you saw the bathroom, you saw the patio, you saw the artwork, you saw the power, you saw everything in the room, right?
You did. So
that's it.
Hit us up if you have any questions. Please like and subscribe with the notification bell on. Thank you very much.
See you on the next one, guys.
Bye, guys.